The Kenya Association of Manufacturers is creating an ecosystem that will support micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, enhance their product development to global standards and access capital markets, logistics and warehousing services. The KAM CEO Anthony Mwangi says plans are also underway to roll out contract manufacturing in collaboration with the national government.
Micro, small and medium-sized enterprises often face challenges in penetrating markets outside Kenya. However, the African Continental Free Trade Area, AfTA, provides an opportunity for them to market their products across the continent.
SMEs create 90% of the jobs, not just here, US, like Germany and China and everywhere. We need to build our SME. We are building an ecosystem so that SME becomes a bit easier.
Credit access remains the main challenge for most businesses, with industry players attending the Kenya Industrialization Conference 2023 saying the government is crowding the private sector.
Now we are paying interest rates up to about 20, 22, 23, 18%. Why? Because we are competing with the government in the marketplace. If you go back to 2002, when there was an economic resurgence, the government got out of borrowing from the market so that the private sector can borrow.
Credit squeeze in the marketplace, and the credit squeeze in the marketplace is that even if you have an order, you can't execute the order because the public sector is crowding out the private sector. Government borrowing on this government securities is very high, and if you have an infrastructure bond, the government of Kenya is giving you 18%. Why would a bank lend it to you at 14%?
They say quality product development coupled with the right pricing is critical in enhancing competitiveness.
So we want to grow our industry in a manner that helps us to increase our share of exports, manufactured exports. And the instrument we are talking of developing are those that will unwind. How do we move with our enablers?
Delegates said there is need to ease the cost of doing business in Kenya, have a seamless tax infrastructure, grow exports and streamline supply chain.
So we need to create that global competitiveness. We need to create the supply chains. We need to organize the value chains so that we can benefit for this huge market opportunity that we have got. And we need to really move away from competing with ourselves in the region.
Kenya has no option other than to compete in the global marketplace, and we have to be competitive, right? What does that mean? Both at the country level and also at the factory level. At the factory level is about using technology. It's about raising the productivity of labor. It's about training efficiency. Just in time manufacturing, what you've been talking here about here, the value chains, how you do your supply chain.
Weri Mujenga for Prime Edition.